Welcome back to the Dermos Practitioner portal. Here is a short tutorial on how to diagnose various photos that have been uploaded by practices as an organizer account. There have been some changes made to the system recently where we added an extra layer of folders to organize the photos by practice. So let's dive in and take a look at that. So I'm going to log in using my organizer account. Put in my info here as usual. Now I am logged in as an organizer. So if I click to my dashboard, we can see folders for all the practices on the system, and you can see the photo records for each one. Kona Center of Facial Surgery has the most, obviously, Dr. Soto, and then a few from LSU. For the new photos that are available to be looked at, you can see Kona Center of Facial Surgery has 292. So that's where we want to go first. We do not have a search bar up here now that this is organized by folder, because the idea is to go through each practice and evaluate photos by folder instead of having to search and getting mixed up. So let's click in here. So here we have all the photo sets for the Kona Center of Facial Surgery. We can add a new photo set if we want. Organizers have the ability to add photo sets to any practice. We have all the filters here, filtered by diagnosis, by feature, by severity, and by status. We are making some updates on this part as well. We found a couple bugs yesterday, but nothing to worry about. So here are the lists of photo sets that are currently within this practice. If we want to sort by new to get all the photo sets with new photos to the top, we would just click there. So now you have the PAD photo set right at the top, and you have mobile apps and any other one that has new. These are the only two right now. So let's go into the PAD photo set. I'm just going to click in there. As you can see, we have photos in there. There's been some diagnoses put in by doctors already. Looks like everything seems to be working fine. But as we know, we can go in and edit the diagnosis at any time. So if we click the magnifying glass here, this will open the photo. See the photo there. We have the lesion title / patient's name, patient's email. The patient's age is now in there as we're collecting that if it comes through one of our landing pages. We have the diagnosis. That brings up the features. We can add the features there, save them, or we can type in our own feature there. We have the image type, camera, dermatoscope, histopathology or unknown, and then we have the notes here. And then we could save the diagnosis, clear the diagnosis, or if this photo is unusable, we can delete it completely. So I'm not going to save mine for now, but that is how you would do it. Over here you can see the AI diagnosis, the details coming from our AI. And this kind of stuff, you don't have to worry about it, but it's there for data collection reasons. And we can resubmit this to the AI if we want. So when we're done, we're just going to save and go over there, but I'm going to clear this because I don't want to save my diagnosis, and then we'll go back. So if we go back, we're back into that same list for the PAD, and we can just go through image by image and add the diagnoses there. Once we are done with that photo set, we can go to other photo sets in the same practice and do the same thing. They're always organized initially by alphabetical order.